Hey y'all, welcome back to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I make these beef empanadas. Okay, so here I have some cheese. I won't be using all of that cheese, and I do have some ground beef. I have 1 egg for the egg wash, and I do have a couple seasonings as well. I'll be sure to list everything down below in the description box, and I will be using these type of empanadas. Okay, so at first I'm going to preheat my pan on a medium-high heat, and then I'm going to preheat some oil and add my ground beef. I'll go ahead and break it up and then let that ground beef cook a little bit. Okay, so once my ground beef is broken up pretty well and it's starting to cook, I'm going to go ahead and season that up. Like I said, everything will be listed down below in the description box. So now that our ground beef is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and drain it. And then once I drain it, I put it back in my pan, and I will be adding in a little taco seasoning. So I will be sprinkling in that taco seasoning, and I'm going to give it a quick mix. Now I turn my heat off, let that cool a little bit. Now here I have an egg for my egg wash. You really can use water if you like, whatever your personal preference is, but I decided to use 1 egg for my egg wash. Okay, so I'm going to give that a quick whisk, and then after that I'm just going to place my empanada wraps on a board so we can go ahead and get started. So I'm filling my empanadas with this ground beef and some shredded cheese as well. You can use anything you want, really. You can have fun with this. This was pretty nice to do. So like I said, for me, I wanted just the ground beef and the cheese. So once I have all of that done, I'm going to rub a little bit of that egg wash all around the edges. So once we seal them, they're sealed very well. And a quick tip, for me, I used the back of a fork, or you can use the back of a spoon. Ensure all of the mix stays in as you're sealing it up. Okay, so now we're just going to push the ends down. And I also have my oil preheated for 350. And if you'd like, you can let these freeze for about 20 minutes, and then you can go ahead and fry them. So here I'm just going to go ahead and slowly let them float in there. I cook mine for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep turning them. I feel like if you turn them, they will cook evenly. So I just turn them every couple seconds, to be honest, and just watch them and see how long to my liking. I really want a pretty brown golden color, not too crispy. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my empanadas. This makes about 10 empanadas, but I only made about 6. If you decide to make this, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. Thank you for tuning in to Chaz's Lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you would like to see next.